Hello everybody, my name is Ray and I'm one of the owners here at Rinaldio Imports, and today I want to talk to you about one of our favorite structure and accessory company, the Fowler Company. Fowler is a traditional German company that was founded 75 years ago in the Black Forest. The company still produces 90% of all their items in Germany in the Black Forest, and 2021 is a very special year for the Fowler Company because Fowler is celebrating its 75th anniversary. What a milestone. We want to congratulate the Fowler Company for 75 years of amazing products. To commemorate this milestone and this special occasion, Fowler decided to come out with a really special model, a very exclusive model. They are coming out with a very small run of Dracula's Castle. That's right, the Fowler guys, they went over to Romania. They took all their gear with them, all their drones, all their cameras, and they spent a week in Romania filming this beautiful historic castle. The kit is very limited. I'm not exactly sure how many are going to be made, but probably I would say 200, maybe 300 worldwide. And we will receive a small portion of these, and that's why we decided to make a video on this castle, because it is so cool. Thank you, Fowler, for making great models, and take a look at the castle. We have some nice footage on it, and if you're interested, please give us a call. Very cool. Well, I hope you liked our presentation on Fowler's Dracula Castle. We expect these probably sometime late summer, early fall. So please, if you're interested, visit our website, rinalds.com, or give us a call at 1-888-762-6872, and we would be more than happy to take your order for it. Thank you very much, and have a nice weekend.